Okay, hello again. Another quick video. I'm just going to show you how to add a simple title at the beginning of your sequence in Premiere Pro to introduce a project. So what I might do is I might zoom out of my timeline by hitting the minus key. Now, just to make things a bit easier, I'm going to group all this together. So if I select everything that I've got that I've created in there, all my clips and my audio, and then right click, I might just go into group, and then I can move all this around together because I want a bit of space at the beginning. Okay, oh, I've missed one there, so I'm going to go back and do that properly. There we go, and I'm going to right click and go to group. There we are, now I've got everything. Okay, just to give us a bit of space. Okay, so to add a title is just some text at the beginning of a video clip. So again, my workspace is set to editing, but it's not going to matter too much for this because we're going to use the menu here and go into title, and let's go to new title, and let's just choose default still. All right, now might give it a name, opening title. You can call yours whatever you like and click OK. Now this titling screen will come up here. You'll notice you've got some tools here. Let's just grab the type tool, and I can click in here. And at the moment, because I'm just going to write Pac-Man. Now at the moment, my text is super small because of the size of my sequence. It's a really large size. So I might just go up here and I'll just scrub the text, click, hold and drag to make the text size bigger. Okay, and look, you could go in and you can muck around with the different font styles. Like there's a whole heap of options here that you can choose as well to play around with your text. I'm just going to keep it simple and quick. Now, to put this directly in the middle, there's a couple of options here. Center vertical, so that'll center my text box vertically, and center horizontally, so that'll put it directly in the middle of the screen. If that's what you want, you may like to put yours like over here or something like that, but just going to keep mine in the middle. All right, there's our title. Now what we need to do is get that in our sequence. So all we do is we just close the title window. And what will happen is, if we go back into here and our project tab, it may be up here, or you may have to go into the arrows like I did, and you'll see it's come in as an asset. Okay, so what I can do is I can click, hold and drag this and bring it in here, and it should default to about 4 or 5 seconds. And if I scrub the playhead back, press play, all right, there's the title. Okay, now I could also put it on top if I wanted to, on top of the clips, and it will have a transparent background, and you can see what will happen there. So you could put it on top as well if you wanted to, because you've got 3 video channels, and you can also add more video channels as you need them, if you need them. But I'm just going to put it at the start, and then because this is grouped, I'm going to bring this back and let it snap to the end there, and we'll play that. And then it comes in like that. Okay, so look, again, you could go back into your effects and you could add a video transition, a dip to black at the beginning if you wanted to, so that the text fades in as well. That's up to you. So yeah, now if you wanted to add, I might just move this out of the way for now. Maybe you wanted to add another piece of text that appears after this. You could, again, just do the same thing. I might do a quick one, go to default still, click OK. I'm not going to give it a name just because I'm going to go quick. Pac-Man, wait a minute. That's not the one we want, so let's... No, that's okay. There's a button here to show the background video. So at the moment, because you can see the text on my preview there, it's just showing what is actually on the screen where the playhead is at the moment. And you can hide that by pressing that, okay? Just in case you might get confused. I'll quickly do a text box, and I might just write revenge, like Pac-Man's revenge, and I'm going to up the size of it. I'll put it directly in the middle again. You could make it the exact size, as the same size as the other one for consistency, but I'm not going to. Close that. let's go back to our project tab, and there's our other title. Let's pop it in there, and now we've got two titles, and then they change. Now it's overlapping a little bit, so I'm going to drag it across. Whoops, what's happening here? I don't want to go in there. If you double click the title, it will bring back the title menu, and you can edit it if you want to change it at any time. So what I might do is I might just push that across a bit, and I'm going to move that there. I might have a little bit of a gap or something between it, so that a bit of black screen plays between them. And let's just have a quick look. Alright, and then our animation will start. Now you can use that same technique to create some end credits, and you would just use the title menu and create a new title. It will come in as an asset, and you could pop some ending credits on there. Now you could also experiment with if I go into here, I'll just double click this one to open it up. You can also experiment if you wanted to with roll and crawl options. So you could change this to a rolling title, which would go up and down, which would start from the bottom of the screen and roll up to the top like credits, or you could make your title move from left to the right, from left of the screen to the right of the screen and off. But yeah, you can play around with those. That's in that option there in your title menu. Okay, thank you. Bye.